Welcome to this week's edition of Chats TV News. I'm Akshath.
And I'm Kabir. Here's the news for Wednesday, the 27th of November.
MYP Drama students participated in a number of workshops last week with visiting expert Int'l Farelli. The events happened over 2 days and included students from Year 7 to Year 11. Kiva filed this report.
Mr. Int'l Farelli conducted drama workshops recently. Aiden caught up with him.
Hello.
Hi.
So, what do you think of the talent in Year 7?
I've seen them twice today. So when I saw them for the first time, early this morning, a bit sleepy. But the second time, just before lunch, much better. Everybody woke up and they started sort of physically running around and their voices got bigger. So much better from lesson 1 to lesson 4.
So, how long have you been doing this?
What, working with young students? 25 years.
The students over here have a lot of energy, which is really exciting to work with.
This is Kiva for Chats TV News.
Year 3 students from Orchard visited the Apple Store earlier this week to participate in a free hands-on workshop. Ariana and Haruto filed this report.
School in Year 3 visit the Apple Store on Orchard Road to participate in a free workshop. We walked from school, which isn't very far from the Apple Store.
The Apple Store is huge. It is a very nice environment with trees inside the lots of sunlight. When we arrived on the second floor, we sat down in front of a big screen, and the people in the Apple Store gave each of us an iPad to use.
We followed the instructions from the presenter. Our task was to learn how to create a digital drawing of a treehouse.
We used the Apple Pencil and an app called Procreate. It was fun to use the pencil on an iPad.
It was also quite easy to use and as you will see, we managed to make some really interesting creations. Here are some different works from Year 3 students.
Everyone in Year 3 had a great time, and we look forward to making more digital works using different digital tools.
This is Ariana
and Haruto for ChatsNews.
From December 3rd to 11th during lunch, Stuco will be selling candy grams and chocolates. You can purchase them on the spot or arrange for them to be delivered on December 12th. They cost $2 to $5 depending on what you order. If you have any questions, please see any member of Stuco.
This year's secondary dramatic performance is Dennis Kelly's short, sharp shocker of a play called DNA. This jet black comedy looks at peer pressure, corruption, and the troubles that come from getting caught in a lie. Please be aware that this production has mature themes and is not meant for our primary 8 students. Tickets will be available at school reception at the end of the week, so make sure you don't miss it. Our drama students have been practicing all semester to present this to you. Big shout out to the students developing the mural in the Block B stairwell.
There's a great deal of skill as well as hard effort going into this, and everyone benefits from a more attractive school environment.
So thank you, mural makers. Make sure you all go for a look. Now it's time for the weather with Tanita.
Thanks, guys. As we expected at this time of the year, the wet weather continued here in Singapore. A look at the temperature for the rest of the week. Today will only reach 28 degrees. Thursday, Friday and Saturday will be 29. and then back to 28 on Sunday. So keep your umbrella handy for the rest of the week, guys.
You bet. Thanks, Tanita. And that's Chats TV News for Wednesday, 27th of November, 2019.
We leave you with the footage of the Year 3's visit to the Apple Store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around school. Bye.
Bye.
This is something that we're going to be doing quite a bit. So if you take your pencil, right, it's probably either attached or in your hand.